end of the PPT, which I have not discussed. That was some additional information related to publisher and subscriber program, which I have written in Python. But except that, if you are having some question, okay. I hope there isn't any query as such. So, sir, Vaibhav sir, should we stop at this instant?
Yes, yes, ma'am. We have validity functions now.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Sorry for taking 15 minutes more than my prescribed time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Thank
all
you
the
so much.
participants are requested to please turn on their videos so that I will take the image and send it to the AICTE. It is a necessary and required condition for that. So I request all the participants to please turn on their videos, video camera. So welcome you all in this second last step of this FDP program, and thanks for joining this program. So we are almost at the end of this program. Still we have one more session after this validity and feedback part. So here we have in the validity function we have with us Dr. Ajay Verma sir, the head of Department Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, IIT DLV Indore, and we have Dr. Shashi Prakash sir. Sir, can you hear me? Hello, Ajay Verma sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yes, yes, listening.
Yeah, yeah. So, and we have Dr. Shashi Prakash sir from again Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering Department. So he is a head of Department of Sciences stream, and he is again going to organize one more FDP program in the same Atal FDP program in photonics and devices. So I welcome you all, sir. I welcome Shashi Prakash sir and Ajay Verma sir, and thanks to joining this validity section.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, sir. So shall we proceed?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, sir, as per this requirement of AICTE, now we have a feedback function. So we have to select participants to share their feedback for these FDP programs. And this session is going to be recorded, and this session is going to be published through this AICTE website. So all are requested to please share their valuable suggestion, their feedbacks, so we'll proceed this session. So I randomly select the participants, or please all the participants, Kusum and Sumit, and all the participants are requested to please turn on their videos, because video is required for this session. All the participants, please. Dr. Shishir Dikshit, Manoj Verma ji, Alka, Ankita Sharma, Neha Arya, please request you to please turn on their video cameras. Uday Pawar sir, please turn on your video camera. Rashmi Ranjan, please turn on your camera. Shraddha. Those who are listening, please turn on their video camera. So we have one more announcement for the participants. So participants, you will receive your quiz at 12:15 now. Okay, you will receive your quiz at the 12:15 now. And if you find any difficulty, then we'll discuss all the questions related to that quiz in the afternoon session. Afternoon session means at the 2 p.m. Okay. So if you feel that I'm not comfortable, I'm not able to write an answers, and some questions have some doubt. If anybody have a doubt, please don't submit their answers before the 2. We'll have a small session on the doubt clearing about the quiz at 2:15. Okay. So please, if you have doubt and you are not confident to answer the question, so please do not submit that quiz. We will have a special session to solve that quiz related problems at 2 p.m. after the third session, today's third session. So now I request a participant to please share their valuable suggestions and feedback for this FDP programs. So who is going to share first? I request first Nidhi Tiwari or Uday Pawar. Nidhi or Uday, are you there?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Uday. So please share your feedback for this program, and what you feel that where is this program is lagging and what area we have to improve for the next program?
Sir, I would like to thank to organizer for this wonderful program. Yesterday, I attended the session between 11 to 12, and he demonstrated the particular tree sensor with IoT application. And Rajkamal sir lecture was very good. He gets all the information about various microprocessor used in current scenario with IoT devices. I think it is more informative session.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So participants, we try to make this FDV program is a more convenient and usable for you because we have called so many experts, the experts from IIT, expert from industry, expert, the emeritus professor Dr. Rajkamal sir is there. Means so many expert faculty members. They experience their knowledge and they share their knowledge. So I hope you have gained something, very small from this course. So now I request Nidhi. Nidhi, will you please share your feedback?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir, and good morning, all the dignitaries. And thank you very much, sir, for this FTP. This is a very emerging topic. Like IoT is a very emerging and very latest topic. And your session was very nice. And as Uday sir said, Raj Kamal sir session like on microprocessor, microcontroller, all the sessions are very good, sir. Hello, am I audible,
Yes.
sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah. So there is some network problem, and video and audio both are on now, so some problem is there. Hello.
Yes, 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 Nidhi.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I would like to some suggestion like hands-on practice should be there, like on IoT applications and IoT devices.
Okay.
And,
Because of this
all the-
online courses, it is difficult. But
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
your
It's
suggestion,
difficult. Yes,
yeah.
sir. It's difficult.
We
But
take your
all
suggestion
the
in next time.
yes, sir.
We
All
try
the theoretical sessions and all the practical sessions are very nice, sir.
Thank you. So now I request
हेलो सर
Amit Udawat sir.
अब पापा लोगों की सेवा तुम्हें ही करनी है, अब क्या है?
Udawat sir, will you please
नहीं,
share
खाली हो
your
गया।
experience regarding this course?
मेरा भी खरीदना पड़ेगा तुम्हें।
Sir, your voice is not coming actually.
हेलो
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes. Amit sir.
Yes,
Now it is clear, sir?
Hello sir.
Yes. Sir, Abid Udawat sir is sharing his experience, then I'll give you the chance after him. Okay. Sir, yeah, Abid sir.
Sir, what I would like to share is that whatever contents have been covered so far by the eminent experts and by yourself also, they were very nicely presented. And the topic being very useful in nowadays, we all came across so many applications which are very, very convenient for from the mobile phones and from the laptops. So I think that this is a very good opportunity for all of us that we have attended so many things. Many hands-on sessions have also been conducted nicely. And what I can suggest is that if you can deliver something more beyond this, what has been covered so far. It's all because what I think that in this much amount of time, we may not be able to cover each and every aspect. But whatever has been covered is very fundamental, is very objective oriented. And as far as a new user is there, I think that he must have visited so many things, so many new terms are very nicely covered. Industry persons are also there. Then one thing I would like to appreciate is the session which was the meditation session conducted by one of the eminent doctor in Choithram. That was also very good. And hands-on sessions taken by Abha Jain madam and Kirti Pawar madam, they were wonderful. Rajkamal sir has also done very well. And we are expecting some more things to come. And we are waiting for some more good topics again on IoT, on Raspberry Pi. With hands-on, obviously, it is going to be difficult in this during online sessions. But we are expecting, sir, that so many things are there, so many good speakers are there in Indore, and maybe from IIT they can be invited. So I wish all of you a very good luck and all the best. And thank you for providing me this opportunity that I have been here. And thank you all, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amrit. Thank you very much.
Right.
I request Uma Madam to please share her experience on this FDP program.
Namaskar to everyone. Respected Ajay Verma sir, respected Shashi Prakash sir, and coordinator Dr. Vaibhav Nima. Actually, so many things I want to tell, but as time is limited, so as Dr. Amit Udawar told that we had an experience of IoT, and we got opportunity to listen eminent personalities like Dandekar sir, speaker from IIT, Dr. Sen Gupta sir, and even we were having so many hands-on things given by that scientific speaker, and today from Kirti ma'ams. So it was in all a good experience, and meditation session was excellent. Actually, we need that because attending since 5 days a particular program. So it was that particular session was giving us relaxation kind of thing, and overall organization of the lectures, and even Vaibhav Nima was very particular about the timings. Every day at 10 the program was started, and it is really very appreciable. So once again, I would like to thank the speakers, the organizer and speakers, and I think Dr. Dandekar should be given more lectures, because in my opinion, he is the one of the pioneer person in the field of IoT and embedded systems. But I can understand because of the time limitation, the coordinator actually arranged the this particular IoT program in such a manner so that we can get information regarding all the area related to IoT. So altogether, this program is excellent. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Madam, I have request, मैडम मेरे को जानने का तो बहुत रिलेटेड है कि आप एक डे पूरा या वन डे पूरा सेशन उनकी एज और थोड़ा सा उनका बस देखिए जैसे पहले बड़ी मुश्किल है क्योंकि मैंने कुछ लोगों को देख के ही ये कोर्स डिजाइन किया था कि ये लोग तो होना ही चाहिए इस कोर्स में, तभी हम ये कोर्स अच्छे से कर पाएंगे, उससे काटे कर सकते हैं। तो नाउ रिक्वेस्ट नेक्स्ट नेम इज ऑफ शुभम जोशी। शुभम जोशी, प्लीज।
Yes, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir. So
all of the participants are requested to please mute themselves.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. This is Shubham Joshi from NMIMS University Ishwapur campus. So it's a great privilege to be a part of this FDP. Being an alumni of IIT DAVV, it's my great honor to be again one of the participants for this FDP. So I summarized this FDP as an excellent one. I started from Vaibhav Nima sir on 13th, followed by Prakash Dandekar sir and Nirvan sir. It's really the very handful experience we have received. And our mentor, Dr. Rajkumar sir and Abajan ma'am, given very thoughtful process related to variety of aspects. And the very third day, Punit Gupta sir and Vishwakarma sir has taken. And day fourth, that was taken by Karokia sir. And meditation session was excellent. Really helped a lot. And today's session taken from Kirti Madam was really excellent. Lots of hands-on related skills we have received, and it's really a good session. So overall, we can say it's a full marks for the organizing committee for this such a wonderful FDP. So thank you, sir, for inviting us to the FDP. Next time also we'll attend the program.
Thank you, Shubham. We are planning one hands-on training program for 7 days using Raspberry Pi and Arduino programs.
Yes,
so now I request next we have Suvarna Madam to please share her experience.
Thank you, Vaibhav sir. Respected Ajay Verma sir, respected Dr. Shashi Prakash sir, and respected Dr. Vaibhav Nima, coordinator of the course. Overall, I am basically from mechanical engineering, but still I thought it's the era of interdisciplinary and I should attend this course. And it was really fruitful for me, especially because being a non-branch of electronics and telecommunication, I could understand many of the things which are very much necessary in this era. And the sessions conducted by all the speakers were very excellent, and all the experts were expert in their domain. And if you can see Professor Dandekar, Professor Rajkamal sir, Dr. Sen Gupta, Dr. Abha Jain, Dr. Puneet Gupta, any person you can take, all the persons were expert in their own domain. Especially I want to quote Dr. Puneet Gupta, who gave the gigantic applications of the IoT, which could be a very good research topics for the PhD scholars, and also very good research proposals can be made based on the basic applications of this IoT. And because of these lectures, I could understand that this can be applied to all the branches in any of the domains. So all the lectures were conducted excellently, and as Uma ma'am told, Vaibhav Nima was very particular about the time. That is, discipline is always a flavor added to any course, and that is mandatory also, because discipline maintains the decorum of that particular course. So it was an excellent session and excellent course, and thank you Vaibhav Nima, especially from my side. And first day I was feeling odd ki all the terms were very new for me, but as and when the sessions were conducted, all the terms become very much familiar for me. So now I'm much more acquainted with the IoT, and which is current era's demand, I suppose. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Suvarna ma'am. Gamar
Sir,
sir.
may I share now?
Yes, you can.
Definitely, the course was very much interactive, and not only it has given the basic idea of IoT, but also its application in different areas. And fortunately, we people are in MITS Gwalior starting IoT in Bachelor of Engineering under Electrical Engineering Department. So this course will definitely be useful for us. Thanks for congratulations to organizers for organizing the program such a way, and especially to Vaibhav sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Has taken too much time, and definitely it was very interactive and very much given the practical applications of IoT right from the beginning concepts of it. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So now Jitendra is here. Jitendra wants to share his experience. So Jitendra, Mr. Jitendra. Okay, he said he has not received the feedback. Okay, sorry for that. Gamar sir, I request you to please share your experience regarding this course.
Very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. R.S. Gamar, professor in SGS ITS Indore, and definitely the course was very good for the interdisciplinary courses, because every person, those who are related to the computer science, that is purely work with the IoT, but Vaibhav sir has organized this course for the interdisciplinary faculties. That is definitely very, very beneficial for all the faculty members and abroad also, because some faculty has joined from so many states also. Or Rajkamal sir has definitely delivered a very good lecture, and start was definitely by the Vaibhav sir. That was also a very brief about the IoT. So I am very much thankful to all the organizing committee of that department, and I am also thankful to the Tokekar sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So Vikas Gupta sir, will you please share your experience? Vikas Gupta sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I was also thinking I should write I will give the feedback.
Yeah.
But you have called me directly. It was really very good, excellent. That FDP on IoT, especially the meditation session was very good. and the session from by Dr. Rajkamal sir, it was excellent. Beginning what you have done, it was also very good, and some sort of hand-on experience should be more. Definitely, it's a constraint we are having, that we have to arrange the FDP online. That is the basic reason behind that. But if the things will be there, so hands-on experience will be more. But then also it was very good. Really thankful to Vaibhav Nima sir and whole team of IET DAV for arranging such a excellent FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikas sir. चंद्रशेखर सर, आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे? मुझे 10 बजे सबसे पहले यही मिलते थे चंद्रशेखर सर, जब मैं ज्वाइन करता था, जब भी बिट्टी ज्वाइन करता था। सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Sir, I am not concerned with this information technology, but my engineering branch is core branch, that is electrical engineering branch. But at the very first day, I tried to abandon the program, but due to your encouragement, I have passed out last 5 days, and I have learned lot of things, especially whatever you taught first day. What is the least important? That is sensor, from where we are getting data to consumer, using all the things is gateway, cloud, insight, and like this, from lowest important things, how we have to make very important things. So my humble suggestion is that, sir, it is a nowadays it is a interdisciplinary type of IoT. But initially, what I was thinking, that is simple related with the internet. But I have seen this is a new world. So thank you very much, sir, especially for you, sir. You encouraged me, so I have completed this course, and little bit I am acquainted with all the new terms and terminology, and I feel something. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience. Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Jitendra.
Yes, sir.
You want to share something?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I was your student in MTech when I was in the Institute of Instrumentation. You taught me microprocessor and embedded system. Sir, I have attended FDP between my lectures. So, Dr. Rajkamal sir was very interactive. And sir, my research topic is also based on IoT based smart grid systems. So IoT is in my research topic, and I have Internet of Things like this devices which are connected to internet. So the whole world is connecting to the IoT, and Internet of Things, new era of technology. And we have seen here in all presentations and very good interaction by all faculty members and researchers. And it was very good, sir, for us, and it will be interactive in next time also.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experience. So now we are about to close this valedictory functions, and you will receive your quiz at 12:15. I will once again request all participants, if you are not if you are not comfortable with that quiz, you wait for the 2 o'clock. We will discuss all the questions, then you write your answers. Okay. So now I request our guest for this valedictory function, Ajay Verma sir, to please share his experience about this workshop and what he heard from these different participants, so that how will improve and how this organization will help them to get the new courses in our institutes. Sir, Verma sir.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Dr. Vaibhav Nima, Professor Shashi Prakash, Dr. Uma Bhatt, Dr. Purna Torgal, all my colleagues from IET, and all the participants, I mainly from the teaching fraternity in the Indore and all, from outside Indore also. I would like to share some things, not about this FDP because I could not attend the whole sessions. One or two I have attended, one from Dr. Webonima and one from Professor Dandekar. I'm sure that FDP was would have been very useful for all the participants because such an eminent speakers were there in this particular FDP. Professor Dandekar, Professor Rajkamal, Professor Vishwakarma, and persons from IIT also. Number of speakers were there, eminent speakers were there in this particular field. So although I could not attend, but I'm sure that FDP was very useful for all the participants. One thing that is what I listened from the feedback from the participants that some hand-on experience could not be there. I know that it is a online FDP, so something missing, but we can have in future better and face-to-face interactions will be much better. But definitely, I would like to congratulate Dr. Webonima and organizers of this particular FDP for organizing such an current age technology FDP, which is very useful. And I would like to also thank Professor Tokekar and our Vice Chancellor, Professor Renu Jain, for providing environment and positive guidance for the organization of such an FDP. Lastly, I would like to congratulate Dr. Webonima and his team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Now I request Shashi Prakash sir to share his experience and what he feel about this workshop and how, where and how we'll improve that.
Good morning, Vaibhav and my friends, Uma, Suvarna, Ajayji, and others also. First and foremost, I think I'm audible now?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Now the thing is, I have been hearing from other participants, they have been all praised. I was always thinking in this place, why have I not attended it? That was I was missing it, but nevertheless I was busy in something more important at this stage, so it's bad luck of mine. I know when Vaibhav was doing it, so certainly it will be very good, because when people who manage the show think me is less, we is bigger, we should, even if I get something minus, no problem, but we all should do better. Those who wants to give more and then receiving more will definitely do a better job. So I must say congratulations to him. Nevertheless, he regarding some of the participants said about sincerity, hard work, discipline at 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock. So that's very good part of it. We will like to imbibe it, this kind of spirit from him, and I think from IIT, you people will, whenever you will come across, more and more you will see such kind of passion in us teachers from here. The programs will be successful because of all these three ingredients, I must say. And then when I go to course content, I could see there are basics which have been covered first, and then there was architecture also, well, software, hardware, everything, application part also, whatever best could have been done in the present kind of COVID situations. So definitely from the response of the participants, कहते हैं ना दिल बाग हो गया, so I'm very happy. Nevertheless, I should also, मतलब मुझे अपनी पीठ भी थपथपाने का मन करता है, क्योंकि क्या है कि वैभव और मैंने दोनों ने इकट्ठा स्टार्ट किया था. Actually, me and Vaibhav, we have been doing several things together. Many a times we start, and then it so becomes that Vaibhav will do it almost independently, and I also independently. Though in hearts of heart it is so that we are connected, but because of busy schedules of mine and his, we do it separately. It so becomes. So in this case also, this time also, he has done it first. So, every time it is actually we have done another kind of activity some time back. So that time also he did it first. He helps me in a sense when he does something earlier. It is a, you can say, he has to face all the difficulties from his learnings. I can learn. So that way, thank you, Vaibhav. That's it. For the participants, I'd like to see say one thing. Can anyone tell me what from here what best you can do for the actually क्या कहते हैं गुरु दक्षिणा ना अभी तो ऐसा है he has done something and now what return you can give? Can anyone tell me what return you people can do for him or the institution? Yes, anyone? Yeah, anyone? Okay, what I expected was what best can be done is we at IIT nowadays find that getting proper students, dedicated students. I say getting students is I get so many inquiries. They wish to join and all those kind of things. He also does this. Similar things happens with him also. But when before this students dedicated word comes in the all sorts of problems will not budge. वो हटेंगे नहीं अपनी जगह से कुछ भी हो जाए तो ऐसे मिलना बड़ा मुश्किल है so you help us and the institution also we can do better programs. It's very good. There is always a scope for improvement. So help us propagate IoT, propagate and other subjects also to help us help us by propagating the message that something good is going on there at IIT. IoT mein Vaibhav is doing something. So go and join him. If you are sincere, if you are hardworking, if you wish to do something, you wish to learn something, you wish to make others aware of it, so do that. So this is the best service you can do for us, and you can say society also. So not taking many words, I'll say again. मेरे को ऐसा देख के लग रहा है कि मेरे को मैंने कुछ I have lost something. I was always interested in this kind of course. I wanted to do it. Before actually we thought of doing other activities of IoT also, but that's it. Everything is not in your hands always. So with these words, I like to end, and don't stop here. Try to keep on learning more and more in whatever area you apply IoT to. So that's what it is. Okay, thank you then.
Thank you, sir, for your words. And I'm sharing a screen on which I have selected some the reviews or the feedback from the participants. So we asked some few questions for the participants. So we get the result of that. How you rate the FTP program? The most of the participants rated as a 5. 5 means the highest rated. The content planned, lecture planned related to this IoT. So most of this participants are strongly agree with that, and some are agree with that. The participants are the course contents are related to IoT. Then we received what most thing you like in this course. So knowledge of experts, application of IoT, academic as well as industry persons, examples given in the question answers, all sessions, the contents and explanations. So we received feedback, good feedback from the participants. Thank you for participating, and we have one more session. So please join that session also. We have one session from 12:30 of Sharad Sharma. He is from Kiran Robotics. Then we will finish that FTP program. And after the two, as once again I remind you, after the two we have a small session 2 to 2:15. In that we will discuss the quiz related to the question, and then you answer that question and you submit your answers. Okay, that is fine. So I thank you, Ajay Verma sir and Shashi Prakash sir, for joining Variety function. And we have a break of the 15 minutes, and we'll again rejoin at 12:30 with the next session of Sharad Sharma sir. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all.
हेलो सर, जितेंद्र बोल रहा हूँ। हेलो, तो सर जितेंद्र बोल रहा हूँ। आवाज आ रही है सर आपको? हेलो, आवाज आ रही है सर मेरी आपको?
सॉरी, आपकी आवाज आ रही है, सॉरी मैंने भी
सर वो क्विज फीडबैक आएगा क्या सर?
क्विज आपके पास 12:15 बजे आ गया होगा सभी के पास। ईमेल आ गया क्या सभी को क्विज का?
नहीं सर, मेरे को कुछ आया नहीं।
एक बार आप चेक कर लीजिए, आपके ईमेल एड्रेस पे क्विज आ चुका होगा। एंड अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो अभी सबमिट ना करें, अपन 2 बजे से 2:15 बजे तक एक बार डिस्कस करेंगे सारे क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद आप सबमिट करें। अगर आपको लगता है कि कंफर्टेबल है तो आप सबमिट कर दीजिए, दोनों चीजें आपके पास है। ठीक है, तो अपन 2 बजे 12:30 से 2 बजे तक सेशन है, वो खत्म करके अपन क्विज के आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे, उसके बाद आप क्विज आंसर फिलअप करिएगा। शरद ने ज्वाइन कर लिया। शरद, हाय शरद।
हाय सर।
Hi.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, कैसे आप?
Yeah, good. We have a break of 10 minutes. Yes.
वैभव सर, ये नेट की प्रॉब्लम है मेरे यहाँ। तो वो वाईफाई चला गया, तो मैंने अभी नेट है ना वो जीबी ली है। तो क्या मैं इसको आपकी गूगल मीट से अभी थोड़ा सा बाहर हो जाऊं और ये नेट देखूं, है ना?
आप 12:30 बजे फिर ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा।
जी।
तो शरद, अभी 12:30 we will start our session. We have a break. सुबह से सेशन चल रहा था कंटिन्यूअसली, अभी ब्रेक दे देना है इनको और फिर वापस रिजॉइन करेंगे।
सर, am I audible correctly sir? आवाज में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है?
क्या आवाज आ रही है अच्छे से?
हाँ, I was just checking कि सर मतलब it's working fine or not.
हाँ, it's working. अगर आप स्लाइड शेयर करके देखना चाहें तो वो भी देख लीजिए, मैं तो अवेलेबल हूं।
Sure. I'll do that sir. So the option to present.
Present now करके एक ऑप्शन होगा।
Yes sir.
Click
for
on
now
it.
just yes sir. Share. I guess yeah. सर दिख रही है आपको स्लाइड?
आ रही है।
Okay, fine sir. I'll just test. Sir, is it rotating fine sir? मतलब?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
Okay, fine sir.
Yes, हाँ चल रही है।
Sure sir.
Hello.